Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you for joining me in my craft room. Today is Smash Our Stash. If you've been around a while, you know that this is my favorite collab. Bourbon Creek Crafts on YouTube inspires me every single month with these prompts to try something, dig into my stash, mess around. This month is fibers, and it could be fabric, ribbon, twine, yarn. I kind of missed the part that it was fabric, but that's okay. That's me normally. Please excuse my voice. I'm having sinus troubles today. I took a bag and some other things of fall textiles that I had set aside. This was a scrap piece. It was already ruffled. That's as long as it was. And I'd probably been hauling it for a couple of years. It was a little bulky to be on a tag, but I loved it. Ribbon, lace that I ruffled, weird stuff that was fun on a tag, but I wanted to try it here. Another, not an actual ribbon, I guess you could call it a ribbon, but it came in one of those millions of packages of sewing notions that I buy. Lace, this one is not soft, it's probably like a polyester type thing. Rickrack, a random ribbon, another piece of that kind of stuff. I just sewed it on different. This one zigzag, this one straight stitch. This was some sort of packaging thing I saved, and ribbon, and another one of those. And this is seam binding edge lace. It came with the fold, and I didn't even realize it till I opened the package. Very fun. If you have that in your stash, get it out, sew it on journal cards or tags or whatever. So there's my cover. I sewed them all down. For me, this is pretty good sewing. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I had a messy edge, but I just didn't like it. Then I was like, okay, where does a cover like this go? Does it go with scrapbook paper that matches these colors? Well, I had already kind of used most of it, and these are, some strange colors in here. And so then I decided to go this direction. I loved this paper, so I used it for the cover. But other than that, it's not scrapbooky. It's dyed nature paper. It's mixed media. A nice sentiment. Everyone must take time to sit and watch the leaves turn. Elizabeth Lawrence. Then I have all sorts of different cream or tea dyed papers in here. Maybe coffee. You never know. Some stars that kind of go with this orangey fall color we have. The years tell us much that the days never knew. Emerson. This is some kind of deli paper with some kind of something on it. Green and yellow. Again, tea or coffee dyed. Washi that has leaves on it. Then the other piece of that paper. I have several pieces of that paper in here. It's not actual texture. It was stationery that I had and I dyed because I thought it would be great in like a nature journal like this. Happiness Always. This is a little piece of ephemera I made. Oh, there is a pocket right there that I don't have anything in, and a tiny one there. So I might have to make some adjustments for that. Tea. Again, you're seeing the same things. Reach for the stars on a shorter page. I like that. And then this one's much more yellowy, older stationery. An envelope with a pocket right here and a pocket right here. There are so many places to write in this journal. This is definitely a writing or sketching or ideas or dreams or goals. When it's dark enough, you can see the stars. Emerson again. Isn't this just scrumptious? I love the different textures of the paper and the dyeing. I hope that comes through in the video. Everything's a little crinkly. This is copy paper dyed, but it's a longer one, a legal size, so it gives a nice fold and leaves. This could be glued down at the ends or glued down here, and have two small pockets, or again, lots of space to write. I write on the back of these all the time. Then here, if you don't like the paper, like if it's just too busy for you, because I guess I do have a touch of scrapbook paper, you could just put your hand right here and just tear this envelope off. But it has the little piece of paper in it. It's a cutie. It says thankful down here. This is deli paper, so I did have some trouble with that sticker. I kept gluing the edges to get it to lay down. Again, more texture. We've got the other side of the journal ledger paper. Dreams come a size too big so we can grow into them. And I just put a tiny sticker next to it, pop of this color. This, to write on this, you'd probably have to use a Sharpie because this is Dina Wakley's acrylic sprays. So it might take a paint pen or a Sharpie, but I bet you could like write a big word or write something inspirational if you wanted to. And then the back does have a pocket with some stuff in it. This is a playlist collaboration, and the link to the playlist is in the description box down below. Be sure to check out what the other collaborators made. I'm sure you'll have a great time and find all sorts of ideas. If you're interested in this journal, it's $26 all in, shipped in the US. You need to be 18, I think, to give me your address. I'm making a big batch of gratitude journals, so there will be other ones coming in my videos shortly after this, especially Clear It Out, but they'll be very different. They don't have a cover like this. Some are fabric, some are paper, and they are scrapbook paper and a little more cutesy. So if you're interested in this one, you better grab it quick. There isn't another one like it. Take great care of yourselves, and I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.